Hello students, in today's video we will learn the concept of rationalizing the denominator. Already I have learned the definition of rational and irrational number, and also you know the examples for rational and irrational number. Now look at the first question. We have root 2 in the denominator, which is irrational number. So we need to rationalize that denominator now. So whenever you have a question like this, that is 1 by root 2, only single digit in the denominator. Now multiply the same denominator, that is multiply by root 2. Now what is 1 into root 2? 1 into root 2 is root 2 by root 2 into root 2 is root 2 whole square, square and root get cancelled. So root 2 by 2. Now the denominator has become the rational number. So similarly the next question is 1 by root 7. So multiply the numerator and the denominator by root 7. 1 into root 7 is root 7 by root 7 into root 7. Root 7 whole square. So your square and root get cancelled. So answer is root 7 by 7. Next, look at the next. Here we have two irrational numbers in the denominator, that is root 7 and root 6. So we have to rationalize this denominator. So to rationalize this denominator, so bring the denominator to the form a plus b into a minus b. So to bring the denominator to the form a plus b into a minus b, change the sign and multiply the numerator and the denominator by root 7 plus root 6, root 7 plus root 6. So now you can look at the denominator. It is of the form a minus b, a plus b. Now if you multiply 1 with root 7 plus root 6, we will be getting root 7 plus root 6 by, so it is of the form a minus b into a plus b, that is nothing but a square minus b square. Therefore denominator will become root 7 square minus root 6 square. Square and root will get cancelled. Root 7 plus root 6 by 7 minus 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. So this is the answer. Okay, look at the next question. In the denominator part we have root 5 plus root 2. So multiply this by root 5 minus root 3 and root 5 minus, it's root 5 minus root 2 and root 5 minus root 2. So whenever plus is there, we are changing the sign because of we have to bring the denominator to the form a plus b into a minus b. Now multiply 1 into root 5 is root 5 minus 1 into root 2 is root 2 and denominator is of the form a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square. So your root 5 is there, root 5 square minus root 2 square. Here under the root the numbers are different, so you can't add or subtract it. Square and root will get cancelled. 5 minus 3. So the final answer is root 5 minus root 2 by 5 minus 3 is 2. Now you can see the denominator has been rationalized, which means there is no root in the denominator. Next, look at the next one. So we have to multiply by 2 minus root 2. So you have to multiply by 2 plus root 2 and the same thing you have to multiply 2 with the numerator. So 1 into any number we'll get the same number, that is 2 plus root 2. Here it is of the form a minus b and a plus b, that is a square minus b square. So 2 square minus root 2 square, that is 2 plus root 2. 2 square is 4. 4 minus square and root will get cancelled, 2. So the final answer is 2 plus root 2 by 4 minus 2 is 2. Look at the next question. So we need to multiply the numerator and the denominator part by, here 5 minus root 3 is there. So multiply the numerator and the denominator by root 3 plus root 5, root 3 plus root 5. Next step, multiply 5 with root 3, you will get 5 root 3 plus 5 root 5. So remember students, the number which is outside the root and number which is inside the root cannot be multiplied. Already we have seen the operations on real number. So the denominator can be written as root 3 square minus root 5 square. Here 5 root 3 plus 5 root 5 by square and root will get cancelled, 3 minus 5. So 5 root 3 plus 5 root 5 by 3 minus 5 is minus 2. So this is the final answer. Hope you have understood this concept of rationalizing the denominator. In next video we will see some new concept. Thank you.